everything in the universe, any object is made up of energy vibrating at a high or a low frequency. And when we talk about water, water has the tendency to absorb anything. If you infuse your intention in it, it helps you align your frequency with your desires. So here is a water bottle manifestation technique. In this technique, take a clean copper or a glass water bottle every night. Just paste here whatever affirmation you want to do, whatever you want to manifest in life, love, health, financial freedom, or simply write affirmation. Abundance flows to me. Here I have pasted a sticky note here stating thank you to the universe, expressing my gratitude. And in the morning, just drink that water, feeling that energy, and let the magic unfold. Try it.